Two explorers about to adventure to the new Uncharted ride at Portaventura World. Castle Steiner and Chiara.
Oh my god!
So today we are riding
Uncharted.
It is a multi-dimension coaster. Apparently the ride is its world's first side launch. Never didn't know that was a thing. Did you know that?
No.
Side launch?
Didn't know that.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no.
So if you are a hotel guest, you get the like early access to Uncharted just over here, the big facade. What do you call it? Facade? The building, a facade? Facade. Where's it again? Facade. So, oh yeah, that facade there is Uncharted, and obviously if you're a hotel guest, you get early access 8:30 till 10:30, so get quite good because of queues can get very big for Uncharted, like 2 hours. The coaster is located in the far west at Portaventura in the town of Penitence. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. And as a hotel guest, literally just got to go through the special entrance for the hotel guests, and it's right onto the right. So it's quite close by to the hotel, so it's quite nice. Uncharted the ride is themed around the game series and the hit movie what came out last year. And it's produced by Naughty Dog, also made The Last of Us, what was probably one of my favourite games as a child. Also, there's an animatronic of the blended up Tom Holland and Nathan Drake. Look, whee! The queue line is actually themed really well, and it's kind of gives me that Indiana Jones vibe, and it's actually quite nice to walk through and see all the theming.
De madera. Espero que tengáis buen equilibrio. Os recomiendo poner los brazos estirados a ambos lados para que os ayude a manteneros en la tabla. Señor Gilbride, hemos encontrado a Drake.
Best POV ever!
¿Habéis encontrado la sala del tesoro, chicos? ¡Cogedlos! ¡Ahora tirad! ¿No os da miedo otra vez? ¿En serio?
¡No dejéis que se escapen!
I like this one actually. Look at the back of it, it's quite nice. So as you can see, very lucky we had early access, as this is probably about 2 hour queue, as it's all queuing inside, but yeah, look at this cattle pen. Good idea to be hotel guests. So we have ridden Uncharted treads times now, and I've got to say it's a good family coaster.
Yeah, I think it's actually quite there's a lot of like surprises. But if you like, we went in. Well, you knew a little bit, but I went in not knowing anything, and I thought it was really good. Like having little surprises along the way.
Gave me some Tartarus flashbacks with the LSM launches. Good spike and a good drop at the end as well. Quite, I think it's a 70-degree drop. So yeah, quite good. Good little ride. The only problem is obviously it's a dark ride. It is indoor ride, so it is dark in there. Really good, like good layout. You just need a little bit more theming in the ride, I think.
Yeah.
Got screens and that.
See.
But yeah, it's just dark, but it's still good. I like. Good family coaster. It's getting busy now. You rate Uncharted out of 10?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
So there's 5 launches on it, so 5 plus 3 is 8, so 8 out of 10. Next up is a bumpy ride on Stampeder. I'd like to see this as an RMC.
Are they doing their walkthrough of the...
They're doing their morning inspections. Like wildfire. Next up is Tomahawk, a nice smoother ride compared to Stampeder. This POV is nearly as good as Uncharted.
That doesn't say Sesamel. That says Cacola.
Kakala cocoa milkshake.
Charlie's favourite.
Chocolate milk. Choo choo.
I'm not about to see it in a second.
Shabala. 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 Shabby B. Whoa. Me and Kiara love Portaventura. It has somewhere special in our heart, and it's got to be our most favourite theme park ever. It's just all the theming of the park, it's so completely detailed, and even the hotels, our hotel, we love Hotel Gulf River, and just look at the theming of it all. It just really does make you feel like you're in the actual Far West, and it's just everything to do with it. We also love our hotel room. We can even hear Stampeder in the background and have a good view of Hurricane Condor. Whee! However, if you did like this video, subscribe, as we got a few more Portaventura episodes coming up. So next week is Shambhala, so keep an eye out.
Portaventura.
Okay, so next up is a strange Intamin wind coaster. Furious Backle. Back row and monkey. Monkey. Grand Canyon. Hey.
I smiled on my own.
We have been up at 3 a.m. this morning at the airport, and now it is 11:15. We had quite a funny story at the airport. So basically, last week we went to Sweden, and at security at Stansted, there was a very jolly security guard, and who looks like Santa Claus, yes. And then last week at work, obviously my job, I skydive, and I skydived this guy. Then today we saw the jolly security guard, and it was him. I skydived the security guard from Stansted. Very weird. So I flew him and he flew me. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you in the next episode.